How to fix can't follow on TikTok issue. For this, open up your TikTok application. Now, if you're not being able to follow people on TikTok, what you want to do is first make sure that your application is fully updated. For that, go to the Play Store and update your application. Once it's done, you can check your internet connection as well. If there is poor internet connection, you might be facing this issue, so make sure you're connected with a good Wi-Fi. Next thing you can do is go to your profile and tap on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in here, scroll down a bit and find Free Up Space. From here, tap on Clear to clear your cache. Once your cache has been cleared, you want to close the application and then open it again. And that should fix any of the issues. If this still does not fix your issue, one last thing you can do is go to your profile section and tap on these three lines again and go to your Settings and Privacy. Here you want to tap on Report a Problem. Once you're in here, go to Topics and tap on Follow, Likes, Comments. Once you're in here, tap on Unable to follow a user. So it's going to show you some of the steps that you can do if you're unable to follow someone. If this does not fix your issue, you can tap on No. And then tap on Need More Help. And once you're in here, you can briefly describe your issue. You can also attach the photos and then tap on the Submit button. After that, TikTok team will reach out to you to fix any of your issues. So these are some of the things that you can do if you're not being able to follow someone on TikTok. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.